यहाँ आपको खेल के मैदान से खबर देंगे। भारत और अमेरिका से बदतरीन शिकस्त के बाद पाकिस्तान के लिए नया चैलेंज।
Where will he bat?
His bat open.
Have you had much time to discuss that defeat against India? Have you dwelled on it? Have you looked to move on?
We have a discussion, a lot of things yesterday, and then we are looking forward because we have a short time, and then in T20 you need to look forward to every match, and then we have a focus on today's match.
And it's quite nice to have a quick turnaround, get back on the horse, get back playing, and prove you're a better side.
Yes, we have a quick change, so we are playing our good shot in this match because we have no other option. We need to win this match.
And no one knows better than you. Don't take anyone lightly in this competition. Canada are a top outfit.
Yes, we see a few bowlers, and if, I know we are the few bowlers because we are playing together. So yeah, we know each other.
Go well, Baba.
Yes, man. Thanks.
Good luck.
Saad, you've lost the toss. What would you have done?
I would have bowled for us as well. It looks like a fresh wicket, but historically we have seen that teams batting second have found it hard to chase. So if we can put a good total on the board, we back ourselves to defend it.
What is your team news?
One change, Dilpreet goes out, Ravinder Paul Singh comes in.
You must be pleased with the way your team is playing. You put in a good performance against the USA, actually, and then an emotional win against Ireland. You must be thrilled with the way your team's playing.
Yeah, definitely. I think we have been playing good cricket so far. It's just about staying consistent, and hopefully we can repeat the performance that we have done in the last game and can have another good game.
And how proud a day for you, captaining Canada against the country of your birth. It must feel special.
It is a special feeling for me. Hopefully I can have a good game as well for myself as well.
And they are vulnerable. They've lost 2 from 2. How important you start well and keep them under pressure.
Definitely, we understand that it's a must-win game for them, so they will be under pressure. So if we can put some good runs on the board, I think the pressure will be against them.
Go well, Saad.
Thank you.
T20 वर्ल्ड कप में पाकिस्तान का टॉस जीतकर कनाडा के खिलाफ फील्डिंग का फैसला। पाकिस्तान की टीम में एक तब्दीली की गई है। इफ्तिखार अहमद की जगह साइम अयूब को शामिल किया गया है। आज T20 वर्ल्ड कप में पाकिस्तान ने टॉस जीतकर कनाडा के खिलाफ फील्डिंग का फैसला किया है। पाकिस्तान की टीम में एक तब्दीली की गई है जिसमें इफ्तिखार अहमद की जगह साइम अयूब को शामिल कर लिया गया है।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।